Do not be like those people in the shampoo commercial doing all of this. Whoosh. Like, oh, my hair is getting clean, girl. Your hair is getting tangled. Adrienne Fox here, and today I'm doing curly hair tips I wish I'd known sooner. One thing I wish I would have known sooner is to shampoo your roots only. You know what? I'm just gonna say the way you shampoo your entire head. You know how like on the commercials they put some shampoo in and they just do all of that and then hair, that is terrible for your hair. Your hair gonna get so tangled like that. Like that's not how you shampoo your hair, boo boo. So only shampoo your roots. That's what I learned, because like shampoo can be really damaging like to your hair slash your ends get dry, so don't shampoo your ends. But so you get your shampoo in your hair, you get your shampoo in your hand, you lather it up, you know, and then just do that. That's how you like shampoo your hair. Just do that at your roots. Sleep on a satin or silk pillowcase. I did not understand for the life of me why I always woke up with my hair a mess and dry until I switched over to satin or silk pillowcase. Now I don't have those problems. Like my entire life I've just been sleeping on cotton pillowcases and nobody said a thing. Like, wow, my hair just been breaking off and just getting drier just from my pillowcase. Isn't that crazy? Do not brush your hair dry. You know how many times I brush my hair dry? Too many times. And I understand why, because it just makes your hair just, you know, poof up. All the curly girls know your hair is gonna poof up if you brush your hair from the bottom up. I can't tell you how many times I tried to comb it from the top. It was terrible. Start from the bottom, ladies, and then work your way up. It makes it so much easier. Retains a lot more of your length, because you can lose a lot of hair by not starting from the ends and working your way up. So I wish I would have known that tip sooner. Use rubber bands in your hair. It snags at your hair, it takes out your hair, and that's all I used growing up is rubber bands. Hair ties are your best friend. Do not get the ones with metal on it. Do not get those. They're going to snag at your hair too. So get these type and then you are good to go. The tip I wish I would have known sooner is to section my hair off when I put like products and stuff in it, because I was that type of person. I just put it all over my head. I don't do that sectioning. I'm like, no, I don't need to do that. So I just get some product. I used to just get some product, put it in my hand, just, you know, whoosh, 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 whoosh. Make sure you get your ends. That's it, just outside of my hair. And you don't do it like that, because then you wonder, why are some parts dry and some parts are moisturized? Because you didn't section your hair. Every strand of your hair didn't get the same attention and love. So that's why you got some dry pieces. But yeah, I didn't know that. So once I started sectioning off my hair and making sure, you know, the product is evenly distributed throughout my whole head, you know, my life became better. Do not use a towel to dry your hair. See, I wish I would have known that sooner, because that's all I've been using my entire life is a towel. What else was I supposed to use to dry my hair? That was my thought process. What else am I supposed to use? You use towels to dry your hair. It causes friction in your hair, and that causes it to have more frizz and break off. Like, I didn't know that, and I wish I would have known that sooner, because now I just use like a a cotton t-shirt to dry my hair. Only put products in your hair when your hair is damp or wet. That will give you the most moisture and the better turnout. Like if you just put stuff on your hair when it's dry, it's not really going to moisturize it slash penetrate your hair. So it's not really going to do much for you. One curly hair tip I wish I would have known sooner is when you straighten your hair, use heat protectant. I didn't learn that until it was too late, basically. I learned that after years of flat ironing my hair with no heat protectant. So I wish I would have known that sooner. Probably would have saved me a lot of damage. I probably would have still had damage, but less damage.